Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics regarding free liquid jets, let us do some solving problem. Example, a fire brigade man is holding a fire stream nozzle of 60 mm diameter as shown in figure. The jet issues at which a velocity of 13 meter per second and strikes the window. Find the angle of nozzle of inclination of which the water jet issues from nozzles. What will be the amount of water falling on the window? Now, here the jet diameter D equal 60 mm, which is equal 0.06 meter. Area equal pi by 4, 0.06 square equal 0.002826 meter square. Velocity of jet is 13 meter per second. The jet is coming out from the nozzle at A, the point A. It strike the window and let the angle make the jet at A with horizontal is theta degree. Suppose this is theta. Now x equal 5 meter. X horizontal distance x equal to 5 meter and vertical distance y equal 7.5 minus jet height, nozzle height from the ground is minus 1.5, which is equal 6 meter. Now by equation y equal trajectory equation y equal x tan theta minus gx square over 2u square secant square theta. Now here y is 6 equal x is 5, x equal 5 tan theta minus 9.81 g, it is x square is 5 square over 2u square that is 2 into 13 square into secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. A gx square x tan theta gx square secant square by 2u. Here we have now 6 equal 5 tan theta minus here this calculation that is 9.81 into 5 square over 2 into 13 square is 0.7256 1 plus tan square theta. Here by simplifying we will get 0.7256 tan square theta minus 5 tan theta minus 5 tan theta plus 6.7256 equals 0 is a quadratic in terms of tan theta. Now by solving tan theta by using quadratic formula, we have I plus or minus root b squared is minus 5 squared minus 4a is 0.7256 and c is 6.7256 over 2a, 2 into 0.7256. Therefore we have tan theta, by simplifying we get tan theta equal 5 plus 2.341 over 2 into 0.7256 is 1.44512, which is having two values 5.058 or 1.88372. Now we'll get theta values having two values, tan inverse of 5.058 or tan inverse of 1.8372. Therefore theta is having 78.8 degree or 61 degree and 78 minutes, 61 degree and 60 degrees. This is the first answer. Theta we got, that is angle of jet. Next, amount of water falling on window, amount of water falling on window equal, that is Q equal AV, area of the cross section is 0.002826 1002826 and velocity is 13. Point 0.002826 multiplied by 13 equal Q equal 0.036738 meter cube per second. That is, we can write it in liters, is 36.74 liters per second. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.